Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ram 1500 headlight bulb. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a screwdriver and your new replacement bulb. Make sure your truck is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always check your owner's manual for any specific instructions or warnings before you begin this simple process. To access the bulb, you'll first need to open your truck's hood and locate the headlight assembly. Depending on your Ram 1500 model, you might need to remove a few retaining clips or bolts. Use a 10mm socket and ratchet for these. Once fasteners are removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward to detach it from the vehicle. Now that the assembly is accessible, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing its tab and pulling. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, handle it carefully by the base and avoid touching the glass. Fingerprints can cause hot spots and shorten the bulb's lifespan. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical connector. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring all retaining clips and bolts are securely fastened. Finally, turn on your truck and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it's working correctly. This ensures your visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.